Welcome back to my more report analysis videos on Wednesday 22nd of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which has rallied. And the acceleration of the rally higher in the last few sessions has been impressive, but it's sort of hit the buffers again today a little bit. Now this is interesting because it is, as I think a lot of these currency markets are at, it's at a bit of a crossroads, I think. It broke through the 15 big figure floor. That old support becomes new resistance, and it was decisive in its breakout. However, I'm sort of taking it that 1630, which was this reaction high here that we saw earlier on in August, which comes around the sort of pivot area here. 1630 is a key level, I think. If you break above that reaction high, then you start to sort of move towards the upper side of this range, really. But also look at the momentum indicators. The MACD lines and stochastics are rising, as they are as I looked on the Kiwi dollar. However, as again with the Kiwi dollar, the RSI is into an area where the rallies have struggled throughout July. So is this a rally that's going to be continuing, or is it going to get sold into? Well, today's candle I think is interesting because we're down on the day. Now if it closes down and we start to lose momentum in this rally, then we may well start to see that corrective move. You could argue this is sort of a little bit tenuous, but still something could be in it. Slight negative divergence in the higher highs of the price and the lower highs of the RSI on the hourly, arguable lower highs on the MACD lines, and the stochastics falling away. So this suggests we're sort of drifting back again. Now you've got the you could argue initial support around 1545 area through yesterday, but you take yesterday's low as the key level, 1490, but 1490 is back below this 1505 level, which is, I suppose, arguably now a supportive element to the chart. So this is an important stage. If the market starts to roll over and starts to correct back again, closing back below 1505 would be a considerable sort of disappointment, I think, for the bulls, and having failed to break out above 1630 as well, could reintroduce the selling pressure to this market. So this is an important stage, I think, for euro dollar. And with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.